What if I told you that 5 simple exercises Japanese women over 40s, 50s, 60s, even 70s do to stay young, active, balanced, and full of energy without ever stepping into a gym? In the United States, losing mobility by age 50 has quietly become the norm. But in Japan, nearly 100,000 people are over 100 and still live independently. The secret? 5 simple daily movements. No gym, just results. Do these every day, and you'll stay strong, mobile, and independent for life. The 5th one is the ultimate insurance policy for your knees, but almost everyone skips it. Let's start with the first one. Number 1, wall sit. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Isn't this too hard for my knees? Or, I haven't exercised in years. How can I do this? Don't worry. This isn't about pushing yourself. It's about gently rebuilding strength in a safe, controlled way. Here's how to do it. Stand with your back against a wall. Slowly slide down until your knees are slightly bent, not too low. Keep your back flat against the wall and place your hands on your thighs or by your sides. Hold this position and breathe normally. That's it. Start with just 10 to 20 seconds. Do 2 to 3 rounds once a day. Over time, your legs will feel stronger. Standing up will feel easier, and your knees will feel more supported. Number 2, Seiza. At first, this might look uncomfortable, and you might be thinking, there's no way my knees can handle that. That's completely okay. You don't need to force anything. Here's how to start safely. Kneel on a soft surface like a pillow or mat. Slowly sit back toward your heels, only as far as feels comfortable. If sitting fully isn't possible, just stay halfway. You can even place a cushion between your hips and heels for support. Keep your back straight and relax your shoulders. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds. Repeat 2 to 3 times. With time, your knees and ankles will slowly open up, and sitting down or getting up from the floor will feel much easier. Now, here's the interesting part. Even if your legs get stronger and your joints feel less stiff, there's still one movement most people lose as they age. And that's the ability to sit low to the ground comfortably. Let's fix that next. Number 3, deep squat hold. I know this one can feel intimidating. Most people think, my body just can't go that low anymore. But the truth is, your body hasn't lost the ability. It just forgot how to do it. Here's how to relearn it safely. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width. Slowly lower your body down into a squat. Go only as far as you can. Hold on to a chair or table in front of you for support if needed. Let your heels stay on the ground. Keep your chest slightly lifted. Then just hold. Start with 10 to 20 seconds. Repeat 2 to 3 times. Over time, your hips will open up. Your lower back will feel less tight. And simple things like picking something from the floor will feel natural again. Number 4, heel raises. This might look too simple, but don't underestimate it. Many people lose strength in their lower legs without realizing it, and that affects balance, walking, and even stability. Here's how to do it. Stand near a wall or chair for support. Slowly lift your heels off the ground, rising onto your toes. Hold at the top for a second, then slowly lower back down. Move slowly and with control. Start with 8 to 12 repetitions. Do 2 to 3 sets. That's it. Over time, your calves will get stronger. Your steps will feel more stable, and you'll feel more confident walking, even on uneven surfaces. Number 5, single leg balance. Now, this one might feel surprisingly difficult at first. You might notice your body shaking or needing support right away. That's normal, and it's exactly why this matters. Here's how to do it. Stand near a wall or chair. Lift one foot slightly off the ground. Keep your posture tall and focus on a point in front of you. Hold for as long as you can. Start with just 10 to 15 seconds per leg. Repeat 2 to 3 times on each side. As days go by, your balance will improve, your legs will feel more stable, and your risk of falls will decrease. Now, here's how to combine everything into a simple routine you can actually stick to. Start with Seiza for 1 minute. Next, move into a single leg balance for 30 seconds per side. After that, sink into a deep squat for 1 minute. Then, follow with 20 heel raises. And finish with the wall sit for 1 minute. The wall sit is on a different level. If you want to do it properly and keep your knees strong for decades, this entire routine takes about 5 minutes. Do it 4 to 5 times per week. Within the first week, you'll start to feel a little less stiff. Within a few weeks, your movements will feel smoother, more natural, and over time, you'll notice something powerful. Watch this video next. Start today, and I'll see you in the next video.